Waking up gasping for air can be frightening. Your worries increase as you may feel suffocated or experience shortness of breath. Let's take a closer look at what causes this problem and what to do about it. There are several reasons that force you to wake up gasping for air. Most of these causes may be temporary, but some are serious, so you need to be well informed and cautious. Let's first look at those reasons that are temporary and generally not serious. Later we will look at serious causes. So stay tuned to the end. 1. Hypnic jerks. Hypnic jerks are muscle twitches that occur when you fall asleep. These are involuntary muscle spasms. Your heartbeat increases. The exact causes of hypnic jerks are not known, but they are benign. 2. Acid reflux. Acid reflux can generally cause heartburn and a sour taste in your mouth. But when you are lying down in your sleep, the narrowing of airways can leave you gasping for air. Dietary changes can give you relief in this case. However, frequent acid reflux can sometimes be a symptom of other serious health conditions, so consult with your doctor. 3. Nocturnal panic attacks. A panic attack is a sudden episode of extreme fear that can cause a sense of impending doom, sweating, shortness of breath, nausea, chest pain, dizziness or headache. The nighttime panic attacks are called nocturnal panic attacks, in which you may wake up gasping for air. Cognitive behavioral therapy to retrain your thought patterns to cut down anxiety can help. Consult with your doctor. 4. Asthma. If you have asthma, then triggers like pollen, pet dander and environmental pollutants can cause your airways to become inflamed, making it hard to breathe. This can leave you gasping for air during sleep as the symptoms get worse at night. Sitting up generally improves the breathlessness. If you wake up gasping for air frequently, then you need to consult your doctor for change in medication. Asthma is a serious condition that requires proper treatment. 5. Congestive heart failure. If you have congestive heart failure, CHF, then you may sometimes get breathlessness during night and may wake up suddenly from sleep. Another heart condition, pulmonary edema, in which lungs get filled up with excess fluid, can also cause gasping for air in the night. Both CHF and pulmonary edema are serious health conditions considered as medical emergencies. Treat them well. Sleep apnea is another serious health condition that can wake you up with breathlessness. Bottom line is, if you wake up gasping for air during sleep, then do not take this lightly. Most of the time it may be a temporary disruption in your sleep, but sometimes it can be a sign of a major health problem. Consult with your doctor. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.